I'm here with the absolutely beautiful Sandra Garcia. How are you doing?
I'm great, thank you.
Little secret, I almost bought this property. I love it that much. For a 4-bedroom, single-level villa in Quivira, you're never gonna find one at this price point. All of its neighbors, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million. You're not gonna believe the price of this one, but I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of the video, has a bonus room down below. That could this property, you also get access to the Quivira golf course and to the Quivira Owners Beach Club. All right, guys, let's check out this property. Entonces, ¿quieres un copo de vino?
No, thank you.
Seguro?
Yes,
100.
100%.
1 millones. Poquito.
A little bit.
Okay, all right. I'm a good salesman, what can I say? Never take the first no. Salud, chicos.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys.
Salud.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, guys. We're gonna be doing an open house here, March 21st, 4 to 8, right here. You need to RSVP